639. In a certain code, reason is written as 621754 truth assault. So find out the code for treason. You don't need to waste your time on calculating, because observe, they have given the word for reason, right? And we also have a letter T. See, for in the word truth, for both the T you have 8 as the code. Means T should have 8 as the code. In the given options, the only option that starts with 8 is B. So option B will be the correct answer. Of course, if you can observe for others also. R is 6. See, reason is 621754, right? T is 8, 621754 appears to reason. So this is directly given. The answer is directly given in the question. Okay. Then 70. A man wears socks of 2 colors, black and brown. He has altogether 20 black socks and 20 brown socks in a drawer. Supposing he has to take out the socks in the dark, how many must he take out? Yeah, anybody? Very interesting question. 3. Okay. Can anyone unmute and explain how it will be? 3. I'll just give 1 minute. Okay. It's okay, I'll tell you. See, 3 is the correct answer. He should take 3 pairs. Imagine he had taken 3 pairs. Or okay, let's say he had taken only 2 pairs. 2. Here the pairs means assume that there's a packet. Okay, the pair of socks will be in a packet. So how many packets should be drawn? Assume like that. So he has taken 2 packs of socks. The 2 socks might be black and brown, or they might be black, or they can be both brown. But we don't know, because they're telling he is taking out in the dark, means he don't know what color it is. That's why he need to take 3. So when he take 3, definitely 2 of the packets will be in the same color. Okay, they can be 2 black and 1 brown, or 2 brown and 1 black, or all the 3 can be in the same color. So that's why he need to take minimum 3 pairs to get the so that he has a matching pair. To get the matching pair, he need to take minimum 3 socks. Okay. Then okay, 20 black socks and 20 brown socks. I'll just repeating. 20 black socks and 20 brown socks. They're just shuffled. He'll draw any 3 socks. So if he saw any 3 socks, definitely any 2 will be the same color, or there can also be chances of being the same color in all the 3. Okay. Moving on to question number 71. In each of the following question, the statement is given by followed by 2 conclusions. Choose the best answer. Morning walks are good for health. So they are telling a statement. Morning walks are good for health. So what is the conclusion? Means understanding. All healthy people go for morning walks. See, morning walks are good for health. Means if you do a morning walk, it is good for health. They are telling a understanding 1, conclusion 1. All healthy people go for morning walks. So it can be possible, because if they are telling it is good for health, then all the healthy people should be following them. So conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2, evening walks are harmful. Again, this can be the positive reason. So both conclusion 1 and 2 follow. Okay. 3 participants raise their hand. Hello? Somebody raise their hand, right? Yeah, unmute yourself, no problem. Anybody? I'm Prijipat and Rakesh. Yeah, if you have a doubt, you can definitely raise your hand. Let's move on to the next question. Statement, question number 72, right? A large majority of the workforce is unorganized. Yeah, this is quite lengthy question. You need to understand this. A large majority of the workforce in India is unorganized. Means there are many people who are doing unorganized. Okay. Okay. Then most of them earn either the minimum or uncertain wages, while others are engaged in sundry jobs. The statement I'll repeat: majority of the workforce is unorganized, and most of them will earn minimum or uncertain wages. That is, their wages are not definite. They'll get fluctuating. They do not have a fixed rate of wages, and their minimum. And other people are engaged in sundry jobs. This is what they have given. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now, the conclusion. The workers in the organized sector get better facilities and stay longer in their jobs. And some workers, the workers in the organized sector get better facilities. They are not, I mean, if they are telling that unorganized sector is facing the problem, it doesn't mean organized sector is good. Even they have their own problems, right? So, conclusion 1 does not follow. According to the statement, it's not, that the conclusion cannot be derived from the statement. Then going on to question, statement conclusion 2, some workers in unorganized of the workforce have a regular and fixed income. You need to observe the sentence carefully. They are telling majority is unorganized. Most of them have minimum wages. That means some workers will have a regular and fixed income. Okay. So only conclusion 2 follows the statement. Okay. Then, because of time constraint, 73 and 74, because you can see this question is very big and we need to analyze it. So because of time constraint, we'll skip this question to tomorrow. I'll directly go to 75, the last question, and 73 and 4 will be discussed tomorrow. Okay. 71 answer. Both conclusion does not follow, sir. Both conclusion does not follow. We don't have any such options. 71, right? You are telling this. Yeah, 71 answer. Both conclusion does not follow. We don't have any such options. Okay. Does not follow. We don't have anything. They are asking either 1, 2, or any one will follow or both will follow. That's the question they are giving. Okay. Yeah, I'll move to 75th, last question, and then I'll come up with the question and answer. 75. The letters of the following words are jumbled. Rearrange them and then point out which word does not belong to animal or color. So 4 words are jumbled. You need to rearrange it to get some proper word. And among the 4 words, 1 word does not belong to animal or color. Okay, 1 word is not animal or color. So can anybody quickly jumble all the 4 letters? Yeah, okay, piano is fine, but what about the other 3? Fast. Either it should be animal or color, or both, or doesn't belong to anything they have given. Lioness, right? Option A is lioness. Option B is tiger. Option C is yellow. And option D is piano. Okay. So lioness, tiger, and yellow. Lioness and tiger belong to class of animals. Yellow belongs to class of color. And option D, piano. Piano is not an animal or a color. So the correct answer is option D. Odd one out is option D. Okay. Fine. Just 2 minutes of time will be there. If you have any question, you can raise hand. I'll unmute them. Just 2 to 3 minutes, okay? And tomorrow will be the last session. We'll be discussing question paper of 2019, the last year question. This session, if you have any doubts, kindly raise your hand. And the 73 and 4 will be discussed tomorrow because time constraints. Okay. Okay, I assume nobody. Yeah. Naveen, unmute yourself.
So question number 68.
60?
68.
Okay.
The answer.
Yeah, paper and mother, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait.
So can I know the
Yeah.
answer, please?
Yeah, observe this. Okay. PQX JJT. I am sharing the screen here. PQX JJT.
But there's no
Got a
answer.
logic?
I mean, option. Yeah, I got the logic, but there's no option like that.
Yeah, it's there, right? PQX JJT. First option. Option A.
That's
It's just printing mistake.
POXJJT.
Yeah, that's a printing mistake. But
Okay,
PQX
okay.
JJT is the right answer.
Okay, sir. I get it.
Because
Thank
the
you.
working is right, that right? I hope you are clear
Yes,
with
sir.
the working.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, okay.